In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete your Instagram watch history. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Then click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the option Your Activity. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option of watch history. Click on that and you're gonna find the list of the videos that you have watched. In order to remove those, you'll need to click on select, then select the videos. Then you'll get the option of remove at the bottom. Click on that and confirm it. With that, your watch history will be removed. In case you cannot find that option, what you can do is navigate to this section of likes, likewise comments. From here, you can remove anything you no longer want associated with your account. This gives you some control over your interaction history. And that's it. This way you can easily delete watch history on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.